name is Christine Pack, and I recently completed the 200-hour teacher training program here at Sonic. And today I will be going through Pashimotonasana, or seated forward fold. This is one of my favorite seated poses because I find it really grounding, it's really good for your digestive system, and it provides an immense amount of relief in the back of your hamstrings and in your lower back. Alright, so to get started, you're going to be seated on the floor and extend both of your legs out in front of you. Make sure that your feet are hips width distance apart. Now, since this is a really grounding pose, you want to make sure that we are as firmly rooted to the floor as much as possible. And the way I like to do that is start to rock to left and right and move the fleshy part of your buttocks away from you so that you feel your sits bones really firmly placed down on the floor. All right, once you've done that, make sure to flex your feet. And even if you're really flexible, start with at least a micro bend in your knees. I find that this is really good to be able to get into the deepest expression of the pose, and you can always extend your knees out if you feel like you can go further. So once you're ready, take an inhale, reach your arms up, lengthen your spine, and on an exhale, hinge forward at the hips and start to lower your chest down towards your knees and your legs. I know this seems like we're trying to get to the floor as close as possible, which is true, but I think of this more as a lengthening pose than a pose where I'm trying to get down to the floor. So really make sure that your chin, your chest, your forehead is reaching out forward as much as possible, and then start to move your chest down towards your knees. You can place your hands wherever they're available, so maybe at the tops of your thighs, your shins, your ankles, or your feet. And if you can go a little bit further, feel free to start extending your knees out, and you'll feel a deeper stretch in the back of your hamstrings. All right, when you're ready to come up, start to roll slowly up into a seated position, and that is Pashimotonasana.